Oh, okay, where the heck are we? Behind Tops and...
Irondequoit Creek.
Okay, so we are in Irondequoit Creek behind Tops. Little guy, little perch, yellow perch. He's not a bad one. Like 2 more inches and he's an eater.
Your first cast of the day.
Yep, we are just testing out this spot. Come here, you. Let me lip ya.
Nice job.
Okay, well, bye-bye. Yeah, just use, I think it's an 1/8 ounce jig head with a chartreuse flake. Oh, I probably can't say that in the first 30 seconds. Oh well.
Do some editing.
Yep, we'll just cut that part out. What in the world is that thing? Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna get on, so.
Yeah, somebody was chasing right after you.
Told you I knew what I'm doing.
Yeah. Really? Got the right bait.
Yep. I knew it just like.
Get my way.
Oh, we don't need to be hooked. Alright, I don't need to go to the ER in like 10 minutes, dude. But yeah, just drag it across the bottom and just let that thing drag across and you'll feel little tiny nibbles. And they are literally hitting it when you do that. The first time... Oh yeah. Yeah, exactly like that.
Yeah, a little small one after it.
Yep. It's exactly the plan. And I'm doing a... I don't know what setup he is.
Yeah, I feel it.
Knew it. Alright, so this spot was the good one. And it's moving current right there, so they're just sitting there waiting for bait just to come right across. So yeah. Yeah, they're sitting right where the current is coming through, and then they're sitting right onto the outside of it. And when they come out, that's when they're gonna attack right there. So I'm gonna throw in a little fish magnet here, because they're just small fish in here, but yeah, these little fish magnet dudes, like little trout baits for panfish. Oh, I was right there.
Yeah. Little baby.
Little dude. He's just a baby.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that would not have been good. Well, that's a fail. Alright. I knew this spot had good potential. And it pulled through. I'm gonna throw in a little black and chartreuse here. I could go with the green and black, but I'll just go with the black and chartreuse. Get off my leaf. Yeah, that is a killer rig for a panfish right here. This little dude right here.
Oh, you got the little.
Yeah, I got
Is
that.
it a
But
fly or a grub?
no, it's a little grub. It's a little panfish thing. I'm so glad I got this little kit. Works so well. I think it was only like 10 bucks, but it's not too bad. Actually, I think it... No, it was at Dick's. I happened to find it at Dick's one day.
You caught the end of the fishing.
No, there's plenty. I told you I had a small bass on it the first time I casted it in there. Oh, that was one right there. Didn't even realize it.
What's with this?
What are you doing? Oh, Keith's going behind the bail?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be happening. What? How does this keep happening? Here, hold on.
Oh, that can fly.
Oh yeah, it's just a little dude.
What is that one? Oh, that little